Have you ever run out of space on one of your drives, wanted to resize a partition without losing your data, or needed an easier way to manage your storage? These are common problems, and fortunately, there's a simple solution. Well, this video is brought to you by MiniTool Partition Wizard, an all-in-one disk and partition management tool packed with a wide range of powerful features. Whether you need to create, resize, move, merge, split, format, or convert partitions, or clone an entire disk, it makes the whole process simple and straightforward. So in this video, I'll walk you through how it works and show you some of its most useful features. And let's get started. You can simply get the tool from here, using the link in the description below. Now, install the application. First, choose your preferred language. Here, you'll see both the free and pro editions. For this tutorial, we'll continue with the free version. Go ahead and install the software. And there we go. We're now on the main interface. Right away, you can see all the disks and partitions available on my PC. Let me quickly show you. Here are the drives currently connected to my PC. I'll also connect my external drive. All right. And now you can see the partitions have refreshed. The external drive shows up as Disk 3. With MiniTool Partition Wizard, you can easily manage your disks and partitions. Over here, you'll find a variety of useful features. For example, Migrate OS to SSD, which lets you move your entire OS installation, along with your files, to a new SSD without reinstalling Windows. There's also the Copy Disk Wizard, which lets you clone an entire drive, and options to convert a disk between GPT and MBR formats. You'll also find features like Clean Disk, along with many other disk management tools. Now, I'll select this disk. On the right side, you'll see all the available partition operations. You can move or resize partitions, merge them, split them, extend them, format them, and much more. For example, let's split this partition into two parts, based on the size we want. If you ever need to increase the size of an existing partition, simply use the Extend Partition option to allocate free space from another partition. The nice thing is that MiniTool doesn't apply changes immediately. You can queue up multiple operations, review everything, and if you change your mind, simply click Undo before applying the changes. You can also right-click on any partition and open the Advanced menu, where you'll find additional options like changing the drive letter, modifying partition, and several other useful options. Once you're okay with everything, simply click Apply to execute all the pending operations. If we check the drive again, you can see that the new partitions have been created successfully. That's how easy it is to organize and manage your storage. You can also convert a disk between GPT and MBR. This is especially useful if you're working with older systems that use legacy BIOS, while most modern PCs use GPT for better compatibility and support for larger drives. Now, if you right-click on a disk or USB drive, you'll also find the Data Recovery feature. If you've accidentally deleted important files, this tool can help recover them. As you can see, it's performing a deep scan to search for recoverable files. Right here, it's already found some of my deleted photos. You can preview the files before recovering them. And it also supports videos, documents, and many other file types. There's also Partition Recovery, which helps recover lost or accidentally deleted partitions. Another useful feature is Disk Benchmark. It quickly measures your SSD or hard drive's read and write performance, giving you an easy way to check your storage speed. Next, we have Space Analyzer. This scans your drive and shows exactly what's using your storage. It generates visual maps and lists, making it easy to identify large folders, hidden files, or unnecessary data so you can free up disk space. There's also Duplicate Cleaner, which scans your drive for duplicate photos, videos, music, documents, and other files, helping you recover valuable storage by removing unnecessary copies. If you need to manage disks outside of Windows, MiniTool also includes a bootable media feature. It lets you create a WinPE-based Rescue USB drive or ISO, allowing you to launch MiniTool Partition Wizard even if Windows won't boot. And finally, MiniTool includes a built-in BitLocker manager. It lets you manage Windows BitLocker encryption directly from within the software, so you can lock, unlock, encrypt, or decrypt partitions without having to open Windows settings or the control panel. So, right now I'm using the Pro Ultimate version, which gives you full access to all of the advanced features. If you only need the basics, you can still get started with the free version, which includes many of the essential partition management tools. If you frequently manage disks, upgrade to new SSDs, recover data, or simply want access to the complete feature set, it's definitely worth checking out the Pro plans, including the annual subscription options. If you're interested, I've left the download link in the description below. Give it a try and see which version best fits your needs. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you guys in the next one.